Am I bleeding? We'll clean it up. We'll clean it up.
We're out here today with Mr.
Robbie Hargreaves.
And I said, what's your favorite trick? They want to learn your favorite trick.
So one of my favorite tricks is switch hard flip.
And I thought, nobody can switch hard flip. Not nobody, anybody. I've never done a switch hard flip in my whole life.
Really?
And I'm not about to learn today. But you're gonna teach them. So go ahead, take it away and teach them how to switch hard flip.
Cool. So first, I would strongly recommend getting switch flips and switch front shoves down, since a switch hard flip is a mixture of the two. Once you have that, we're gonna go into
Like at what stage of skating though? At what stage of skating? I've been skating 30 years, I've never done a switch hard flip. At what point do you like, you know what, today I'm gonna learn switch hard flip?
So I got really good at switch front shoves and switch kick flips, and I always wanted to hard flip regular.
Yeah.
But I wasn't very good at them. And so I started just messing around one day. It was probably like 10 years into skating, you know, and for whatever reason, the switch hard flip just seemed to flip.
Easier switch than regular.
And I feel like there's other tricks like that too.
Same, like maybe like, some people have like nollie lasers, but they can't do a regular laser. Or switch lasers, but they can't do regular lasers.
Yeah, I'm one of the, no regular laser, but I've definitely landed probably like 2 switch lasers. So nollie laser I understand because the board's rotating in the same direction as you're riding, where a regular laser is kind of flipping away from your momentum.
Yeah.
Did I say that word?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Momentum. Okay, teach them how to switch hard flip.
So for the switch hard flip, I like going with the counter pop kind of stance.
Yeah.
So my back foot's gonna be kind of on this inside edge of the tail. Front foot is gonna be pretty much like right under the front bolt, and then kind of a vertical foot placement on the front. The back foot's not so much horizontal, it's a little vertical as well.
Okay.
When you're popping, it's very like pressured on the inside of the board. Let that board kind of tilt and suck into that front foot.
Yeah.
And then it's that same front kind of toe, front shove, like you're pushing the board forward.
Yeah.
And then just kind of lifting up your foot and making like a lowercase R, bringing it back around for the catch.
Okay.
So
show me the lowercase r.
So the lowercase r would be from here up, and then down, and then back for the catch.
Okay.
So up and then off, and then back.
Okay, I see what you mean.
So I know I said it's my favorite trick. I don't know if I'm the most consistent at it, but we'll see. Let's get it first try.
Yeah.
Whoa, okay. So I'll get that one out of the way.
Yeah, get that out of the way.
Right. Let's see. I'm gonna try and go a little bit faster. Speed seems to help me.
Wow, you just throw it just like that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it. It's one of my favorite tricks. Takes a couple tries to get the flip down. Okay,
yeah.
So I did notice on that one, I'm actually, front foot's a little bit further or closer to the middle of the board.
Yeah.
But yeah, just so I can really get that pop. And then the board's just gonna kind of start to flip almost immediately.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
That was good. Yeah.
We'll clean it up. We'll clean it up. That's a good start though.
Yeah, that was a good start. And then we're gonna have to explain what each foot does and how they can practice it.
Yeah,
jumping straight into
absolutely.
switch hard flip is no joke. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, we'll get one more. And then I'm gonna really think about what my feet are doing on this one so I can explain that to you.
Yeah, and how can they practice?
So for practicing, definitely like practice the flipping motion, and just don't worry about getting your back foot on the board. Just try to aim your front foot, keeping your front foot on the board.
Yeah.
So that one was kind of muska.
Yeah, we love a muska.
Yeah, everyone loves a muska flip.
Yeah.
So just kind of following the board with that front foot really is going to help you kind of have the confidence knowing the board's there to put the back foot back on. Also shoulders, we want to have a slightly like open stance, but then as the board's coming back around, you want to close that shoulder. That's going to help bring your hips and your heels back over the board.
Yeah, cool.
So that one I kicked out, but same kind of motion. I just trying to get the board to flip underneath of my body. And that one didn't really flip right. Also, I would say for this one, you definitely want to make sure, like if you're skating your board backwards, I ride my front truck looser than my back truck.
Yeah.
So sometimes that could mess you up when you go to pop.
Yeah.
Because it's a little wobbly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, just got to get it to rotate over. But I'm still kind of making that motion. I'm kind of missing the flick a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna move my foot a little bit more on the board. So it's important to read the skateboard on how it's responding to the motion you're creating. Make a micro adjustment.
Yeah.
Don't keep doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, and that one, I think I got my foot caught a little bit. So maybe slight adjustment off of the board with the front foot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get 2 in a row. Nope.
Is this easier off things?
Slightly.
Because you have a little more air time?
A little more air time. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you get more pop, more hang time off of stuff. I could try and do one off of the drop.
Sure.
All right, let's do it. Now I feel like I have a little more speed, which anytime I'm doing a flip trick, I kind of like going faster.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So that one flipped a lot easier. Okay, just kind of feeling it out.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, right here.
You got it.
This is a 1 block. I did the 3 block, so
Easier.
should be 2 times easier.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a kickflip back. All right, and you know, be patient with yourself. Like I said, this is one of my favorite tricks. Struggling a little bit right now with it, but either way, nonetheless, I'm still gonna go through the motion, just really focus on this one on the pop, and then just getting that lowercase r back to center for the catch. Okay, that was there. I totally got in my head on that one. I was like overthinking it.
Yeah, you gotta explain that too, so they don't do that.
Yeah, well, I think that was a personal thing where I was in my mind about like, man, I'm like, this is my favorite trick, and I'm like struggling. But it's important to show you that.
Yeah.
But my balance was a little bit off.
Yeah.
There's no reason to start the trick unbalanced and expect to like become or regain your balance in the air. Like, start over. Like, there's no ref, it's not a foul, like you're good, just start over.
Yeah, and take as many times as you need.
Absolutely.
Have fun. It's all about having fun.
Oh! Make sure your trucks are not as loose as mine.
Yeah, I was like, geez, and then all this blood on the ground.
Is there blood?
No.
No, that's ketchup. Am I bleeding?
No, but at first when you fell, that's what I thought. Yeah.
I was in my head about my trucks being so loose. I'm gonna make an adjustment.
Okay, so you loosened them or tightened them?
I tightened it up a little bit because
Okay.
I noticed when I was popping, I was getting a little like unbalanced.
Yeah.
And then also when I landed that one, I definitely got wheel bite.
Yeah.
Also, I don't want to use this as an excuse, but I know there is a pressure crack right in the center of my board. So it is kind of affecting, like as I pop, like I feel like it's like kind of flopping up, but
yeah.
I'm still gonna go for it. I'm gonna put it down.
Yeah!
Here we go.
So how are they gonna learn this trick?
Well, a lot of patience.
Yeah.
And I would say start with your switch front shove and your switch flip. I'll do a couple of like switch front shoves.
Yeah, just show them how to build up to it.
So build up, just switch front shove is a very similar position. We're gonna really work on that one.
So good.
And then the switch flip. And just really focus on keeping your balance when you're popping and doing it like it's regular.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
lost my balance on that one, so on the pop. Oh, little front side. I notice I'm starting to rush myself, so I'm gonna try to slow myself down, regain my composure, go back for that switch flip.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So first get a really good front shove, really good switch flip.
Yeah.
And then start throwing it together with the practice step of
the practice step. So
just get it to
switch
form.
Front shove, switch kick flip, and then that practice step, which is just kind of get that rotation going. Don't try to land it at first. Just try to get the board to go under you.
Yeah.
And once you can get it to that position, then like it's scary, but you just commit to it.
Yeah.
You just got to commit to it. Do it on flat ground with a slight bit of speed.
Right.
Just stationary is the hardest to do anything, really.
Right.
From what I've noticed. Everyone's different though. Good luck with it. If you guys have any other questions about this trick, please reach out to me. Let me know. Could definitely kind of further explain it for you. Main thing though, back foot on the inside part of the tail, almost a little bit like pointed. Front foot is gonna be right about maybe 3 inches below the bolt, like right covering the middle of the board, and really let that board rise up before you flick your foot. That seems to give me the best kind of flip rotation. So let me know, let Aaron know, let us know in the comments if this is a trick that you've been trying. If you get the trick, let us know. We want to hear that too. Film it, tag us in it.
Please.
Absolutely, and good luck learning these switch hard flips. And if you do it the right way, you're gonna get 2 tricks as well as the switch hard flip. You'll get that switch front shove and the switch kick flip.
And you guys know the skate support line is always open. So you can go to brailleskateboarding.com and there's a community tab, and then under that, there's a skate support. And you can film yourself. I would recommend you film all the tricks you already know, and then a bunch of attempts on the trick you're trying, and then I'll do my very best to help you guys learn that trick. And if you guys are in Solvang, go to Solvang Skate Shop, get yourself a board.
And an able skeever.
Which is some kind of breakfast situation, which apparently is delicious, and I've got to go try it.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. You guys are the best.